what God intended for me to learn and intended for me to grow? Or would I have missed out because I was focused on the other side rather than clinging to God and saying, "Dear God, help me get through this. How can I be a light in this situation? How can I serve you where I am?" Because the moment we begin to think that way and pray that way, we become changed from the inside out, because the old has died, the new has come. The old me died in the baptism water the day that I got baptized. And the new me is now living for Christ. And although I'm like a 4-year-old learning to ride a bike and everything's wobbling and falling down a few times, God is there every moment to pick me up and say, "I have you by the hand and I will lead you on the right path. I will clean your wounds, I will restore you, and I will establish you," because God is in control. And it's a scary thing to give control over to God, but it is so worth it. May God bless you and prosper you in the season you're going through.